Hi, very good morning, students. Let us continue with chapter 9 Rational Numbers, part 4. In the last video, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of rational number. Let us revise the addition and subtraction of rational number rules. Rule number 1. Case 1. Addition of two positive rational number gives a positive rational number. Second case. Addition of two negative rational number gives a negative rational number. Third one. When one positive and one negative rational number are added, we take the difference and place the sign of bigger rational number. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of rational number and division of rational number. Now we will see rule number 2, multiplication of rational numbers. We all know how to multiply natural numbers or fraction. Now we will learn how to multiply two rational number. In fact, multiplication of rational number is equal to repeated addition. Positive into positive rational number, we get positive rational number. Negative into negative rational number, we get positive rational number. Positive into negative rational number, we get negative rational number. Negative rational number into positive rational number, we get negative rational number. When you multiply two rational number with the same sign, we get positive rational number. When you multiply two rational number with the same sign, the result is always positive. Just multiply the rational numbers and the answer positive rational number. Next one, when you multiply two different signs, the result is always negative. Just multiply the rational number and make the answer negative rational number. If the signs are same, the product of rational number is positive. If the signs are different, the product of rational number is negative. Let us see rule number 3, division of rational numbers. When you divide two rational number with the same sign, when you divide two rational numbers with the same sign, the result is always positive. Just divide the rational number and make the answer positive rational number. When you divide two rational number with a different sign, the result is always the negative. Just divide the numbers and then make the answer negative rational number. Positive rational number divided by positive rational number, we get positive rational number. Negative rational number divided by negative rational number, we get positive rational number. Positive rational number divided by negative rational number, we get negative rational number. Negative rational number divided by positive rational number, we get negative rational number. Now we will sing multiplication and division of rational numbers song. Shall we sing a song? Yeah. multiplying and dividing, use the same sign, use the same sign. You will get a positive, you will get a positive, now you know, now you know. Multiplying and dividing, use different sign, use different sign. You will get a negative, you will get a negative, now you know, now you know. Multiplying and dividing, use different sign, use different sign. You will get a negative, you will get a negative, now you know, now you know. My dear students, let us sing with me. Are you ready? Yeah, start. Multiplying and dividing, use the same sign. Multiplying and dividing, use the same sign, use the same sign. You will get a positive, you will get a positive, now you know, now you know. Multiplying and dividing, use different sign, use different sign. You will get a negative, you will get a negative, now you know, now you know. How many students like this song? Yeah, everyone. Fine. Now we will see the multiplication of rational numbers examples. Question number 1. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3. The product of two rational numbers is equal to product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. Numerator is 1 and 2. 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 3. 1 into 2, 2. 4 3s are 12. 2 by 12. 2 by 12 common table is 2. So 2 divided by 2 we get 1. 12 by 2 we get 6. So answer is 1 by 6. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 we get 1 by 6. Second example, minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. The formula is product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. Numerator term is minus 2 into 2. Denominator term is 3 into 3. Minus 2 into 2. Negative into positive sign we get negative sign. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4. 3 3s are 9. Positive into positive number we get positive number. So the answer is minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9, no common table. So the answer is minus 4 by 9. Next example, minus 1 by 5 into 2 by minus 5. 2 by minus 5 we can written as minus 2 by 5. The product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. Product of the numerator term is minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 into 2. Product of the denominator 5 into 5. Now multiply the numerator and denominator. Minus 1 into 2. Minus into minus we get plus. So 1 into 2, 2. 5 5s are 25. So answer is 2 by 25. Example 4. 7 by 9 into 6. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. 7 by 9 into 6 by 1. Product of numerator divided by product of the denominator. Numerator is 7 and 6. Denominator is 9 and 1. 7 6 are 42. 9 into 1, 9. 42 divided by 9. Now Take the HCF of 42 and 9. HCF of 42 and 9 is 3. Use the common table. 3, 42 divided by 3, 14. 9 divided by 3, 9. 14 divided by 3. The reduced term of 42 divided by 9 is 14 divided. My dear students, now take your classwork note. Write the heading rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Example 1 and example 2 and 3. These examples are to be copied in your classwork note. Dear students, use black pen to write heading and questions, and the steps can be written in blue color pen. After one question, draw the line. Next heading is write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Write the heading is ascending order. Question number 1. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9 minus 4 by 3. After that, solution. This example are to be copied in our classwork notes. After that, write the heading as addition and subtraction of rational number. Case 1. Addition of two positive rational number gives a positive rational number. Example 1, example 2. These two examples are to be copied in our classwork note. Next, case 2. Addition of two negative rational number gives a negative rational number. Example 1 and example 2. Example 3, 4. These 4 examples are to be copied in our classwork note. Next case, when one positive and one negative rational number are added, we take the difference and place the sign of bigger rational number. Example 1 and example 2. These two examples copy down in your classwork note. After you have completed the classwork note, take the photos and send the images to headstar.7@gmail.com. Thank you, students. We will see the next video.